Hi everyone, welcome to Differential Calculus. Today we explore lesson 3.6, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Number one, derivatives of inverse trig. We have 6 of them. Derivative of arcsine is 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. Derivative of arccosine is negative 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. Derivative of arctangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Derivative of cosecant to negative 1x, now it's the same as arc. Cosecant is negative 1 over x multiplied to root of x squared minus 1. Derivative of arcsecant, x is 1 over x times root of x squared minus 1. And derivative of cotangent x is negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. There are 2 of them that are very useful and they appear often later on when you study integration. And that is the derivative of arctangent x and the derivative of arcsine x. Let's do some example. First example, show that derivative of arctangent x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Let's do it. So, let y equal arctangent x, then tangent y equal x. That's just the inverse property. And then from here, we can take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. Derivative of tangent x is secant square x. So derivative of tangent y secant square y times y prime. Derivative of x 1. And then from here we have y prime to be 1 over secant square y. Well, to figure out what is secant square y, we know that tangent y is x, that it is x over 1. So we just opposite over adjacent. I'm going to sketch a right triangle. Here comes the angle y. Opposite is x, adjacent is 1. So the hypotenuse would be Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So x squared plus 1 squared is c squared, which means that c is root of x squared plus 1. So root of 1 plus x squared, it's the same thing. And then we know 1 over secant is cosine. So y prime is cosine square y. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over root of 1 plus x squared. And then we square it, which gives us 1 over 1 plus x squared. Awesome. B phi f prime x given fx equal arctangent of 2x squared. F prime x would be derivative of the outer function. Derivative of arctangent is 1 over 1 plus 2x squared squared multiplied to the derivative of the inner function. Derivative of 2x squared. We have 1 over 1 plus 4x to the 4 multiplied to 4x, and that gives us 4x over 1 plus 4x to the 4. Yay! Pretty cool. do one more. Find y prime given y equal arcsine of cosine 2x. Y prime here is derivative of the outer function, which is 1 over square root of 1 minus cosine 2x square. Multiply to the derivative of the inner function, derivative of cosine 2x. Is 1 over 1 minus cosine square is sine square. So that is root of sine square of 2x. Multiply to derivative of cosine is negative sine, and derivative of the inner function, derivative of 2x is 2. Okay. So be very careful with what we're going to do next. We have a negative 2 sine 2x over root of sine square of 2x. We can simplify this a little bit as if you can remember, root of x squared is the absolute value x. So this would be absolute value of sine 2x. Yeah. So we have negative 2 sine 2x over absolute value sine 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. Well, 2 is a positive number. We can take it outside. We have 2 sine 2x over 2 absolute value of sine x, absolute value of cosine x. And this would be sine of 2x over absolute value of sine x, absolute value of cosine x. Just be a little careful on this one, especially when you take root of x squared. Remember, the square root is a positive number. So that is why we have to put the absolute value. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the content useful. I'll see you in the next video.